This is a 600CFA desktop direct heating automatic sealing machine, especially suitable for sealing aluminum foil bags. The following is your operation demonstration. Turn on the power first. Set heating temperature. Aluminum foil bags are generally between 130 and 140. Press to adjust. The pointer value is 0 when the temperature arrives. Adjust the heating time. Generally set at about 3 to 4 seconds. The cycle time is matched with the automatic function. The following demonstrates the pedal function. Sealing effect. Now demonstrate the automatic function. Adjust the return time. Turn on the automatic function. The following is the 600CFA desktop direct heat automatic sealing machine. Operating instructions.